Hey guys, I'm going to show you some fun stuff you can do with nulled vBulletins. Now, nulled vBulletins is basically the vBulletin script, which is around $180, available from Gelsoft. And what they do is people take out the code in the script that basically like the call home code that verifies that it's actually a real version, and using it can get you in a lot of trouble. You can have your ISP contacted, your host contacted, you can be shut down, or they can fine you money. So I highly suggest you don't use an old vBulletin version. But this is just a simple way to find out if someone is using an old vBulletin, although it does not always work. And it is pretty easy to make it so it doesn't work. But if people are pretty stupid, you can have some fun with them. Alright, so let's go ahead and search for some nulled forums. Now, the really stupid people won't even edit out the little nulled by then the nuller's name in their forums, so we're just going to search for that. Go ahead and do that. And this one I found earlier. Now you see they haven't even edited this out, so it's obviously that they're using a nulled version. And let's go ahead and take advantage of that. So let's take out this index to install. And then you see I've already done this. Upgrade 300. Now you'll get this message: your vBulletin version does not appear to match with the version for which the script was created. Blah blah blah. Now, if they weren't using an old vBulletin, then you won't even be able to see this page. A little thing would pop up that would prompt you to enter your Gelsoft customer number and password and everything. Now let's have some fun. Do step equals 1. And now we know the table name of their users, which is pretty important since we got a database error. Step 2, get this, and let's go ahead and try to dump the user table. So since upgrade 3.01, .php step equals backup, do equals SQL table, then table equals user, since we saw that it was user in the previous screen when we got the database error. Let's go ahead and press enter, send that. We get a download prompt. I'm just going to go ahead and open this with Notepad. And now we have all the information from the users. Obviously we don't have their passwords because they're in hashes, but we have their IP addresses, their emails, and all this other information which is used by vBulletin. And there's a bunch of them. And it's just kind of a fun way to mess with people, teach them not to use that. But we can also just do the backup of the entire SQL table by just getting rid of this table. And now we get the vBulletin entire MySQL database, and that will take a long time to download. I think it's probably pretty big. But that's just a fun way to mess with people. Make sure they don't use nulled vBulletins. If you'd like any more tutorials, or like to see anything else, head by my forums and subscribe to my videos. This is Quackware signing out.